Alexander's department store, established in 1928, became a fixture in New York City by offering affordable brand name apparel. However, it faced financial difficulties resulting in bankruptcy in 1992, which led to the closure of most of its locations. Similarly, Bon Marché, founded in 1890 and inspired by a French retailer, aimed to cater to working-class families. Unfortunately, it ceased operations in 2005 after merging with Macy's Northwest Division, marking the end of its unique offering. In contrast, Altman's, renowned for its luxury and elegance since 1865, served a high-end clientele in New York City. Yet, it struggled against the encroachment of suburban malls and shifting fashion trends during the mid-20th century. On a different note, Ames, founded in 1958, focused on providing budget-friendly clothing and household items, cementing its place in the fabric of numerous communities across the United States. Gimbels, established in 1842, emerged as a formidable competitor to Macy's with its catchy slogan, "Select, Don't Settle." It maintained a significant footprint in American retail until its shuttering in 1987. Moreover, Montgomery Ward, which pioneered mail-order retail in 1872, expanded to over 500 stores by the 1920s. This expansion showcased a dynamic shift in retail, competing head-to-head with Sears. However, Montgomery Ward, founded in 1908, ultimately succumbed to bankruptcy in 2001, closing the chapter on its substantial contributions to accessible consumer goods and leaving behind a legacy of iconic catalogs. Meanwhile, Hill's discount department store, established in 1957, initially prospered but eventually faced financial challenges and competition, culminating in its closure in 1999 after several unsuccessful revival efforts. Similarly, Murphy's Mart, founded in 1906, aimed to address the retail void in small towns. However, it too declined due to economic changes, vanishing by the early 2000s but leaving fond shopping memories. The Emporium, located in San Francisco, flourished for a century through strategic mergers and suburban expansion, embodying resilience in a shifting retail landscape. Its transition to Macy's in 1995 marked a pivotal transformation. Gottschalk's, founded in 1904, thrived by deliberately choosing locations in smaller cities, effectively evading competition from major chains. Despite its loyal customer base, it encountered bankruptcy in 2009 amid economic fluctuations. Orbach's, established in 1923, catered to style-conscious shoppers with its blend of fashion-forward yet affordable products. The store's foundation was characterized by a partnership dispute that spurred the opening of multiple locations. Furthermore, innovative sales strategies, including minimal service and competitive pricing, proved crucial for capturing customers' interest in the affordable fashion sector, facilitating significant market expansion. The legacy of the Goldwater department store exemplifies the interplay of brand legacy and adaptability within retail, illustrating how acquisitions can positively or negatively influence growth. In a pioneering effort, Lands demonstrated the appeal of off-price retailing with designer discounts, yet financial hurdles led to multiple bankruptcy filings throughout its history. John Wanamaker revolutionized the retail landscape by introducing the one-price concept and transforming an abandoned railroad depot into Philadelphia's inaugural department store. His innovations included price tags and an iconic architectural design. Both retail chains saw substantial expansion, with Wanamaker establishing a foothold in New York and Grant achieving nearly $100 million in sales by 1936, leaving lasting legacies that persist through foundations supporting social causes. W.T. Grant, founded in 1906, became renowned for its diverse store formats and affordability. However, despite early successes, it struggled to keep pace with evolving shopping habits, ultimately leading to its bankruptcy in 1976. Service merchandise sought to broaden its market influence in the 1980s through the acquisition of H.J. Wilson. This move included off-price apparel to compete against emerging retail giants. Charles A. Stevens, an illustrious Chicago department store, began facing financial difficulties by 1988. Known for its refined displays and celebrity clientele, the store ultimately succumbed to bankruptcy. Despite its closure, Charles A. Stevens left an enduring mark on Chicago's fashion industry. The landmark State Street building stands as a testament to its historical significance and influence on retail design.